Meet the GSBA Community Leader of the Year finalists. Jamae Marsh specializes in community organizing, organizational capacity building, and social identity development. They are an alum of the University of Michigan and University of Washington Schools of Social Work, where they deepened their passion for cultivating and curating creative spaces that center radical joy and healing, as well as fostering sustained partnerships between school systems and the community at large. Currently, Jamae serves as Executive Director of Feast, a community-based organization that centers BIPOC youth from South Seattle and South King County as leaders in transforming food systems and health equity in their schools. J. Manny Santiago was appointed by Governor Jay Inslee as Executive Director of the Washington State LGBTQ Commission in August 2019. Manny has been involved in social justice work from a young age. Before his appointment, Manny served as Executive Director of Rainbow Center, Tacoma. He also often teaches courses on religion, ethics, and theology at different institutions of higher education throughout the U.S. and Latin America. The third finalist and the recipient of GSBA's Community Leader of the Year Award is University of Washington Tacoma's Chancellor, Dr. Sheila Edwards Lange.
I'm Sheila Edwards Lange, and I'm the Chancellor at the University of Washington Tacoma. I'm the campus executive officer in this role, so responsible for managing all aspects of the university. We have 5,000 students here on the Tacoma campus. The diversity of the campus was what drew me here, but also the emphasis on community partnerships. So Tacoma really is an urban serving university, and that means that we partner with community to solve real problems and that we are in service to the community. And that was really attractive to me, having spent 6 years at Seattle Central College, where community partnerships was really very central to what I was doing there. Our student body is very diverse. It's one of the most diverse in the state. About 60% of our students identify as students of color. 56% are first in their family to go to college, and about 45% of them are Pell eligible. So really serving the community and students of the South Sound. So I came to the University of Washington to go to graduate school, and I thought, I was going to do this master's degree and just stay 2 years and then go back to California, which is where my family is. But I got here and I quickly realized that the Northwest, there's this ethic of involvement and community engagement and connectedness that I never experienced in Southern California. Everyone gets involved here around things that they care about. And that was so attractive to me that I've never wanted to live anywhere else. While I've done great things like Seattle Promise and just had a wonderful experience doing it, I love working with college students. I love this being part of a young person or even an older person's journey towards whatever aspirations they may have for themselves. I love mentoring younger people, helping them get access to resources and other people in their fields, making those connections for them. I've had it done for me. I would say that one of my greatest accomplishments in my career has been the people that I've mentored, and that they have gone on to be successful in their chosen professions, but they have also gone on to be engaged in their communities. I'm the first in my family to go to college. My mom didn't even graduate from high school. And I saw the impact of her lack of education, what that had on our family and our self-sufficiency. And so I was like, if we could just get more kids of color to go to college, to get into living wage careers, and our community would be strengthened, because those folks would then go back out and volunteer and be involved in community and be invested in building the strength of the Black community. So I was very much thinking, I'm going to do education policy as a way to change and strengthen my community. Well, GSBA is already doing a great job in partnering, because one of the things that you all do well is partner with higher education to identify students who need a scholarship. So, I'm passionate about the scholarships that you all do. I love that scholarship program. Making sure that if there are business folks who can be role models and examples to our youth about what they can aspire to, because a lot of times young people don't know exactly what they want to do. But if they can job shadow someone or do an internship at a company and see people who look like them or who share their life values, then it really goes a long way. There are so many jobs that young people don't even know exist. One of the things I'm doing tomorrow is hosting a community-based organization that serves low-income youth of color, and we're bringing them to campus just because many of them have never been on a college campus. And if you're on a college campus, you can see what you can aspire to. And so we need to do more of that in business and getting our young people into these companies so that they can see the types of jobs, types of careers that are available to them.